Insight Advisor can be disabled in an app by adding a specific variable. Disabling Insight Advisor on a published app prevents the Precedents Service from learning precedents from the app. The Insight Advisor will no longer learn the aggregations, dimensions, and measures used with that data model for use in apps with a similar data model. To disable the Insight Advisor, in the Sheet Edit mode in the Assets panel, click the Variable button. Then create a new variable. For the name, type disable_insights. For the definition, type any value. When you are done, close Variables. As you can see, when you refresh the app, the Insight Advisor is now disabled. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.